It's stuck in there. It's stuck in there.
Where you gotta get her out?
No, can't stop it.
You gotta get her out. Get her out.
She's stuck in there. Stuck in there.
Gotta get her out.
No.
Oh, careful. Careful.
Nothing's in there.
Nothing's in there.
Don't stand up.
Don't stand up. You're gonna stand up. You're too cute. Wow. You're too cute.
Let's see.
Okay, you can see in a minute. We gotta get Millie out of the toy box first.
Oh, okay.
Okay. No, you gotta get down. And then you can see. Open it. Push it up. Okay. Okay, you can see it.
Where's the toy box?
This is the toy box. Good. Gracie, you go in the toy box.
Okay. No, yeah.